Okay, we are now live, so bear with me a little bit. I need to do a few things, take care of a few business, a few pieces of business. Okay, so yes, yeah, this is, yeah, I will monetize the heck out of this. Then, um, special request stock market analysis. Okay, this is good. How can I change this this thumbnail? Yeah, I'm gonna put something more attractive. Yeah, look at this, huh? This is already better. So basically, this is a live where I do stock analysis, and my YouTube members are suggesting stocks for me to analyze. So these are the people that are suggesting stocks for me. So let me just start, and you can ask questions. You know, it's okay. You can ask questions. You can comment and everything. So I'm just going to go ahead and start, and maybe I'm just going to create a watch list. I'm using Trading View, and well, last week was a crazy week. So what we are going to do today, look at SE Limited. I don't know about this company. LC. The good thing about technical analysis is that you don't need to know the fundamentals of a company to understand what's happening to it. Is it going great? Is it bad? Blah, 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 blah. You don't need to do that. So you save so much time. And people think that they know about the company and think that they know when the stock is going to move up based on the fundamentals. That's very dangerous because you can get it wrong. Just look at Tesla. Great earnings call. Stock is tanking. Well, it's because of the indices and everything. Yeah. So you prove my point. Okay, MU, and I'm usually a lot nicer than this, so don't get discouraged. Perfect. So this is what we have right now. So let's just start. SE. Let's do a technical analysis on this stock here. C Limited. Well, you know, it dropped a lot. Huh? We can see that for sure. Nice move up and then falling down like crazy. But now, you see, it's starting to stabilize. Huh? So instead of making a lower low, it's making a smaller lower low. So maybe the stock is going to stabilize a little bit. So if you want to invest in it, maybe you should be happy about that. So this is green, so this is a support, and this is the current resistance the stock is in. Pretty easy to see this. So at some point, you know, the stock can go up and down like this, but at some point it could break this. So that's your call. That's your call. That's your buy signal at this point. There is going to be an earnings call on the May 18th. So that's interesting. So this may precipitate the break here in resistance if that's good enough. So wait for a break right here. Depending on when the stock breaks it, it could be, you know, at 114, it could be at 105, it could be at 96. You catch my drift. It's hard to know exactly when this is going to happen, but you just have to wait, be patient and wait until it happens to pounce. And always wait for a good stochastic at the same time as a break. Well, before or after. But you wait for a stochastic also to kind of confirm that break. You can also confirm the break by waiting for, well, to have 1 or 2 days of break outside of that resistance before getting in, and that's it. That's the recipe. So that was it for C Limited. I really don't know why this is doing this, but anyway. Okay, so Lending Club Corporation. Yeah, same thing. You know, stock was super high, then is getting lower, but we see what? Look at this. I'm gonna do it here this time. So we have support right here. We have a support right here, and we had, oh, nice, Lending Club Corporation. We had a nice surprise here and a nice surprise there. That's interesting. And we had a nice jump. We had a gap here. So the stock gapped. It gapped. So you know, it just jumped ahead. Just jumped ahead like this. So right now, but it seems to be coming down a little bit, and stochastic is getting outside of stochastic over 60. And okay, so this was actually a nice break, because if we had done this, you know, this is textbook perfect, you know. This resistance was coming down, and we tried to break it here, but we could not. We tried to break it here, but we could not. But now we could. So there's a couple of days here that we spent outside of this resistance that is now support. So this could pull back down a little bit, maybe on this support right here. So check to see if we are bouncing on this support, and check to see that stochastic goes back over 60 before. Well, I would check that before I would go back in, and then that's a really nice stock to well, that's a really nice pattern here that you can use. Let's leave it at that. Fantastic. Bitcoin, okay, so Bitcoin, let's look at it here. Okay, we have a big support, you know, big support at 30,149. Huge. Look at this. And now we came back down, but now we are inching a little bit higher here. It seems, well, it seemed, but it seems also that we might have broken outside of it, you know. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna, this is a case of a double resistance like this. This is the case of a double resistance. Boom, boom, we do this like this. So, you know, came down, was going up, inching up. Now we are breaking this. So that's a little bit less good. And we broke this, you know, look at stochastic when we broke this very, very low. So this is another resistance that you need to think about. So boom, like this. So this is trending now for now. This is trending now down for now. So wait until, you know, I would wait until we break this, or, you know, if we break this, you can also play it on the downside. But basically that's the pattern for Bitcoin. Google, oh boy. So I had oh, look at this. So I had analyzed this in the past. Now Google is not doing so good. Even Google is not doing so good. You know, this was the resistance. We broke it here, but caved down. So so in that case, I like to do this double resistance kind of thing. And if I do the channel, you know, okay, yeah, you know, it's not a perfect, oh yeah, this is perfect. This is perfect. This is what's happening right now. In terms, okay, they had a bad surprise here, and they had, well, okay, 0.07% down. That's not a big thing, but, you know, people like to think about the future, and if you have a bad news, then maybe this is going to reproduce itself in the future. So this is giving bad vibes to the people, also with the fact that all the indices are pretty much tanking. So this is the same thing. There is a split here, a 20-to-1 split on July 18th. So there you go. Resistance to break are here. This is the pattern for Google. MU. What is this MU thing? Micron technology. Okay, I had done this in the past, so not much has changed. So this is the, yeah, look at this. This is pretty perfect in terms of pattern. Down. This is going down. It seemed like it was supposed to stabilize here. Yeah, see here. Support here, support here, support here. Yeah, the support did not hold. It did not hold at all. So I'm sorry to say that it's still going down. And sometimes there's a middle channel thing. This is a little bit higher than middle. Let me put it in gray. So we seem to have a different speed here. So, you know, we used to be able to reach this resistance here once, twice, almost third time, but now we cannot reach more than this this gray resistance. So just wait until you see break in resistance, either this one here or this one here with stochastic over 60, and that does it. This is what I would do. This is what I would do. So that's it. So I guess Friday night at 8 p.m. Eastern time. I guess this is not the best time to do a live. That's fine. I did these videos for my members because they suggested me stocks for me to analyze, and I publish this live so that some other people can also benefit. So that's it. That's all for this Friday stock special request stock analysis. So thank you very much for those who will watch the recording of this. So I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday. I do a Tesla and Palantir video every single day of the week. So have a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.